In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 anti-fatigue mats available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best anti-fatigue mats. The 5th product on our list is the Kangaroo. As the popularity of sit-stand workstations increases, so does the need for anti-fatigue mats. Our feet go through a lot, even during a typical day. We quite literally rely on our feet to keep us in balance and on top of things. While our feet do most of the heavy lifting, the reality is that a lot of our muscles need to actively work together in order to keep us upright. Yet, without the right support, a lot of that pressure falls on our feet. Moreover, when you think about just how much time you spend on your feet, whether because your job demands it or just when you're completing everyday tasks at home. For those of us wanting to transition into a sit-stand workstation, the standing part will seem less appealing if you don't have the support of an anti-fatigue mat for improving comfort over long periods of time. The Kangaroo Original Standing Mat is an outstanding option for making the most of a standing desk without all the aches and pains associated with them. It's a toxin and phthalate-free anti-fatigue mat, which can be used just as effectively in an ergonomic office setup or in a kitchen as a rug. Giving the product a once-over, you'll find that it's made from premium-grade durable materials. It really feels like it will last for a long time, even with constant use. For traction, this standing mat features beveled edges and a lightly textured surface to prevent slipping and tripping. We also found that the grooves underneath work well to help keep the mat in place on uneven flooring. The water-resistant surface also makes it a lot easier to clean with the broom, vacuum, or damp cloth. A nice thing about this product is that it also ships flat, which prevents creasing or folding and ensures the longevity of the mat. We noticed that the extra cushioning of the Kangaroo comes from its especially thick foam layer. This works well at softening the pressure on your feet, knees, legs, joints, and back, while still maintaining a firmness that allows you to keep a steady footing. Even better, the improved back support helps lessen those shoulder and neck pains from doing tasks while standing. With this kind of pain relief, you'll also experience an improvement in your overall posture and muscle conditioning. Its pros are: it's made with toxin and phthalate-free materials. It has an anti-slip design, and it is very well cushioned. However, its primary upper material is too soft for use with shoes, which means you need to be barefoot. This is fine when you're at home, but not so good in the office. The Kangaroo is an effective product for reducing the strain that comes from standing for long periods of time. It would work well for those with standing desks at home. Up next in 4th place is the Dailylife. The main purpose of the anti-fatigue mat is not just to make standing more comfortable for you. These mats are made to activate your leg, back, and core muscles to keep your body balanced by relieving the burden off your pressure points. With this muscle activation, your blood flows, your body keeps warm, and you fight the harmful effects of sitting for too long. Enter the Dailylife Anti-Fatigue Mat. This is a thick, multi-layered mat that provides an excellent cushion between your feet and the unyielding floor. This mat is pretty grippy underneath, so it will also help improve traction, reduce slipping, and protect your floors from spills. It's also water-resistant, which helps ensure your mat will remain as good as new, even when located in a spill-prone area. Furthermore, you can benefit from its ergonomics by positioning this standing mat in the office as an easy way to relieve muscle pain and promote comfort, while potentially boosting productivity. Also, its foam layer will conform to the contours of your feet as you stand. The above-average thickness of this standing mat provides an outstanding balance between comfort and support by allowing micro-movements of your legs to keep blood circulation at optimal levels. We all know that standing for several hours can leave your body feeling stressed. The Dailylife Anti-Fatigue Mat helps prevent this by physically changing your working position. This, in turn, can aid your overall posture and reduce your feet and leg pain. According to the manufacturer, This standing mat can effectively relieve up to 42% of the pressure on your knees, feet, and knee joints. It certainly does seem to be effective. Yet what's more, you can even use this product to stretch your Achilles tendon and calves thanks to the help of its raised side rail. This provides excellent alleviation of muscle soreness when standing for long periods. Lastly, we found this unit to be straightforward to clean and that it holds up well over time. This makes it a worthwhile investment to protect your feet and legs. Its pros are: its multiple layers are effective at minimizing foot stress. It's easy to clean, and its design is great for getting a good stretch on. However, it has quite a small area, so it may feel limiting if you move around a lot. The Dailylife is a brilliant tool for those needing pain relief when working in office environments. Still haven't found an anti-fatigue mat that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the StrongTek. If you have been looking for a balance board type anti-fatigue mat for your standing desk, then chances are you're looking to burn a few calories while working. This wobble board is designed to keep you moving while you work, while at the same time relieving the stress your body goes through when standing for long periods. The first thing we notice with this unit is that it has a very lightweight design that you will appreciate once you start carrying it around with you. The top of this fitness balance board features textured pressure points that gently massage away soreness to keep feet feeling energized. It's a nice touch and does seem to work out those little kinks and cramps if you go barefoot. When it comes to enhancing your health, it's absolutely a step up from the standard anti-fatigue mats we've looked at so far. It has a very sturdy and solid construction and feels comfortable to use, even for beginners. Even better, if you do want to use it at the office, it has a sleek, professional look and will allow you to stand for hours without any problems. The only real issue is that for those of us that are above average in height, the board size can feel a little small for our feet, so a wider platform to stand on would be appreciated in any updated versions. However, it's still a very effective device and very durable too. The middle of the StrongTek wobble board is made with natural hardwood with a slight flex, but it's sturdy enough to withstand a fully grown adult using it daily. It also features a non-slip upper surface and a rubber base that is floor-friendly. This unit would make a great addition to any home office, especially for those who want to improve their physical health while increasing their work productivity. Its pros are: its balance board design is excellent for improving core strength. It has a massaging texture to relieve knots from your muscles, and it's got a stylish design that fits in with any environment. However, it does have a very limited surface area. The StrongTek is an ideal device for those wanting to burn a few extra calories while they work. The second product on our list is the Fezibo. The Fezibo anti-fatigue mat, much like the previous product, is not only designed to relieve pain, but to aid with overall health thanks to its balance board design. It has an effective 8.5-inch tilting angle that's not so extreme as to be wholly distracting, but does provide enough rocker to let you move from side to side, avoiding a static stance. The Fezibo also features firm massage beads on both sides of its concave side and horizontal raised lines in the middle. The Fezibo balance board is an ideal product for holding balance exercises and creates low-impact rocker movements that helps keep your mind and body engaged while you're working. It not only helps relieve muscle stress and pain in the back, core, legs, and ankles while standing, but it's also a whole lot more fun. We found that the beads tend to be on the firm side, but not so uncomfortable that you couldn't use the board barefoot. Because it does require the user to balance, it's not a great fit if you're easily distracted. However, the mat's center is smooth, and we determined that standing there allowed the board to remain flat with no wobble. We like its versatility and the fact that it can add an extra challenge to home workouts like planks and squats. When you're not using it for desk work, it also travels and stores better than the other mats on this list. Moreover, its hardwood construction makes the Fezibo feel the most durable so far. This unit is an excellent option if you're not committed to the idea of a flat, stationary mat or a smaller office space. Plus, it's brilliant for those with restless legs. Its pros are: It allows you to perform low-impact exercises whilst you work. It's very easy to store away, and it has a versatile range of functions. However, it has issues with the rubber bottom coming detached over time. The Fezibo is a great option for those that don't like to stand still while working. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top anti-fatigue mat is the Ergodriven Topo. The Ergodriven Topo comfort mat is our clear favorite on this list for a whole host of reasons. Topo's uniquely cushioned platform really seems to drive subconscious movement. It helps you stretch more often, and at the same time works to massage your feet. What's more, unlike some of the distracting balance boards and treadmills people place at their desks, you don't end up feeling exhausted even after a full day's work. Its solid foam construction creates a secure, tacky feeling that prevents slips, while the cushioning and ergonomic supports allow you to stand for long periods without effort. Given that the conventional wisdom around standing desks is usually to alternate between both standing and sitting, we found that having a mat that can easily slide under your desk makes this transition a lot more straightforward. Moreover, the Topo's raised edges allowed us to push the mat quickly under the desk and pull it back out with one foot. We also discovered that the mat's size works better with desks with nothing underneath it. Even better, this mat definitely feels easier to stand on all day than others due to the various feet positions that it promotes. The deliberate alternating terrain encourages frequent movement and is specially designed to get the blood pumping through your calves. When you add in the supportive cushioning, that means more movement, more blood flow, and a healthier you. If you're someone who is serious about varying between standing and sitting at your desk and want a very high-quality mat, then the Ergodriven Topo is an ideal choice that your feet will be sure to appreciate. Its pros are: it has a tactile anti-slip design. It promotes constant shifting, improving blood flow. It tucks away easily under the desk, and it's very supportive to your feet. However, it does require you to take your shoes off before use, which may not work in all office environments. The Ergodriven Topo is a brilliantly designed product that really helps relieve the stress and fatigue that is so common with desk jobs. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.